fresher mechanical engineering student. Today I am going to tell you what are the engineering subjects were handled by high-end software technology. That's mean I am going to tell you what is the use of CAD, CAM, CAE, MBD, ERP and PLM softwares in mechanical engineering design and how it relates to your engineering subject. Trust me, it's going to be awesome webinar today and definitely you get lots and lots value. Myself Tejas Joshi from CAD Center Private Limited. I am also the founder for Fresher Mechanical Engineering community and I am on the mission of how fresher mechanical engineering student can earn lots of money. Yes, you hear absolutely correct. I am telling you how you can earn lots of money by doing jobs in mechanical design industry. So let's start. The mechanical engineering subjects have engineering graphics, machine drawing, SOM, TOM, thermal, fluid mechanics, production engineering and manufacturing process. Nowadays, all these engineering subjects are handled in CAD, CAM, CAE, MBD and ERP software technology. Firstly, let's understand top 7 uses of this amazing high-end computer technology. 1. To generate 2D and 3D graphics in computer. This belongs to your engineering graphics subject. 2. To create dynamic 3D models. It means create 3D dimension virtual real model. And this belongs to your mechanical drawing subject. Third, to create 3D model in 2D working sheet, and that is most important drawing required to manufacture a machine part, and this belongs to your machine drawing subject. Fourth, to create kinematic animation and mechanism analysis, it belongs to your TOM subject. Fifth one, to create FEA failure analysis component, and this belongs to your SOM, thermal, fluid mechanics subject. Sixth, to simulate the machine process of machine tools, and this belongs to your manufacturing technology subject. Last, seventh one, to simulate the production process of products, and this belongs to your production engineering subject. Now it's clear? I think you understood. Now let's talk about software used in CAD, CAM, CAE, MBD, ERP and PLM technology. First one is CAD technology software. Remember, this belongs to your engineering graphics and machine drawing subject. There are total 9 softwares and all these are AutoCAD, CATIA, Creo, Parametrics, NXCAD, Solidworks, Inventor, PDMS, Revit MEP. In machine design, these software are used AutoCAD, CATIA, Creo Parametric, NXCAD, Solidworks and Inventor. For example, CNC machines, vehicle, airplanes, ship. These products are designed in these 6 softwares. As well as PDMS, Revit MEP used to plant factory design. For example, turbine, condenser, conveyor, machineries, pipeline, huge infrastructure buildings like mall, hospital, commercial offices. These products are also designed in these 2 software. Now let's talk about second CAM technology. Remember, this belongs to your manufacturing technology subject. To generate CNC machine codes, softwares are used NXCAM, MasterCAM, DellCAM. It is also used to simulate machine steps in a virtual environment before its manufacturing can see how machine operates and where perform on components. Okay, let's move to the third one, CAE technology. Remember, this belongs to your SOM, thermal, fluid subjects. It is also called as FEA, FEM, CFD softwares, and these are Ansys Workbench, Ansys Fluent, Nastran, Hypermesh. These 4 does mathematical calculation to calculate the failure analysis of components and also simulate stress distribution of the component. Understood? Now fourth is MBD technology, that is multi-body dynamics. Remember, belongs to your TOM subject. These are the same software using CAD technology. These are CATIA, Creo Parametrics, NXCAD, SolidWorks, Inventor. But these added advantage generate kinematic motion and mechanism machine product or assembly. Now let's move to the fifth, ERP and PLM technology software. Remember, this belongs to your production engineering subject. There is huge difference between the ERP and PLM software. ERP software refers to handle text database and PLM software refers to handle CAD database. PLM software gives the added advantage to work effectively and complete engineering project. And next, CAD, CATIA, Creo, Parametric, these software companies have their own PLM softwares like Windshield for PTC, Innovia for Dassault, Siemens PLM software. ERP softwares are MS Project and Primavera, and these software used for planning, scheduling the project. These ERP software are integrated with PLM software. ERP software are used in manufacturing and production project handling. These complete project planning, scheduling, execution, and monitoring is carried out in MS Project and Primavera software. I believe you get lots of value by watching this video. So now I want you to type in the comment box what value you get. Hello, I mean it. I am waiting for your comments. Okay, I trust you. You get lots of value watching this video. My dear fresher mechanical engineers, this is the various segment you can make your career, and if you want to earn lots of money, then you have to learn this software. Remember, your mechanical engineering degree cannot be scaled 1 lakh salary in 3 to 5 years, but choosing designing career can this CAD CAM technology, trust me, you will have awesome future. Okay, all I know that I am also a founder for Fresher Mechanical Engineering community, and I am on the mission on how fresher mechanical engineering student can earn lots of money by doing job in mechanical design industry. So now I invite you all to become part of the fresher engineering community and share this video on your Facebook page, WhatsApp and social media. Start helping fresher engineers community, and I know you will definitely share this video. Now I take permission to say bye bye. If you have any queries, please mention in comment box. We'll definitely reply as soon as possible. Bye bye.